Good morning all of you. In today's session of class 12 maths, what we are going to start the class today is the topic properties of determinants. Now there are many properties of determinants. Why do we need properties of determinant? What is the need? Actually, sometimes the determinant is very complicated to evaluate directly. So if you have some property by which you can reduce the determinant, then it is easier to evaluate. Already in the last session I have introduced you to one property in which I told you that you can alter any row or column by taking that particular row or column and adding a linear combination of the remaining rows or columns. So that I have already told you the last session. That is one way of reducing and evaluating a determinant. And apart from that, there are some other properties, so we will have to do it in installments because there are a lot of properties. So today I will tell you three properties of determinants. Number one, if a row or a column has all three elements equal to 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. Okay? Suppose in a determinant, if a particular row or a particular column has all the three elements equal to 0, like there is a row or a column in which every element is 0, then the value of that determinant will be 0. Property number two, if two rows or columns are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. So suppose in a determinant there are two rows or columns which are totally identical, then the value of that particular determinant will be 0. Property number three, if a row or a column has a common factor, it may be taken common for the entire determinant. So suppose if there is a row or a column in which there is a common factor, then you can take that factor common for the entire determinant. Right. So now let's have a look. Okay, so first I'm going to show you one sum. I'll show you one sum from the beginning, and then I'll give you some three homework questions. Now this is the sum. You have to find the value of this determinant. The determinant is b square bc b plus c, c square a square ac a plus c. a square b square ab a plus b. This is the determinant and you will have to find its value. That is the question. Okay, so what we will do is that we will multiply the first row with a, second row with b and third row with c. Multiply the first row with a, second row with b and third row with c. Multiply the first row with a, second row with b, third row with c, and outside you write 1 by ABC. After that you take ABC common. You take ABC common from the first column and ABC common from the second column. So take ABC common from the first column as well as the second column. So after you take ABC common from first and second column, the first column will become BC, AC, AB, second column will be 1, 1, 1, third column will be AB plus AC, AB plus BC, AC plus BC. Now, so you will get ABC into ABC by ABC, BC 1 AB plus AC, AC 1 AB plus BC, AB 1 AC plus BC. Now you do one thing, you do C3 equal to C3 plus C1. So you know exactly what it means. You have to take the existing third column and add the first column. And then you take AB plus AC plus BC common from the third column. So the answer is coming 0. So the answer is coming to 0. So I am repeating again. First you take this determinant, multiply the first row with A, second row with B, third row with C, and take 1 by ABC outside common. Then you take ABC common from first column and ABC common from second column. So ABC into ABC by ABC. So then you do C3 dash C3 plus C1. That means take the existing third column and add the first column. Then take AB plus AC plus BC common from third column and you will get two identical columns, so answer will be 0. So based on these topics of today, I am giving you 3 homework questions. Number 1, so you have to find the value of 1A B plus C, 1B C plus A, 1C A plus B. Question number 2, you have to find the value of B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. And question number 3, if ABC are in AP, you have to show that x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus A, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus B, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus C is 0. So these are the homework questions and you can submit it by 9 PM tomorrow because there is no homework session today. That will be all. Thank you and bye all of you.